गुड मर्निङ साथीहरु। आज हामीले यस भिडियोमा लोक सेवा आयोगको लागि एउटा क्वेशन लिएर आएका छौं। काठमाडौँ उपत्यका खानेपानी व्यवस्थापन बोर्डको लागि है। जसमा हामीले क्वेशन चलागौं अब। क्वेशन नम्बर 1, द सुटेबल सिस्टम अफ सैनिटेशन फॉर एरिया हैविंग rainfall for only one season is separate system. Question number 2, the disinfection of water involves killing of disease bacteria. Question number 3, the suitable layout of a distribution system for well planned city is grid iron system. Question number 4, the concrete slabs recommended for beams and slab is 30 to 125 mm. Question number 5, the portion of brick cut across the width is called bat. Question number 6, as per Public Procurement Act 2063 and Regulation 2064, minimum bidding period, time between invitation for bid and last date of submission of bids for NCB contract is 30 days. Question number 7, as per the National Drinking Water Quality Standard 2062, the permissible range of residual chlorine in potable water is 0.1 to 0.2 milligram per liter. Question number 8, as per the Constitution of Nepal policies relating to conservation and multiple use of water resources comes under the jurisdiction of federal government. यो भनेको हाम्रो संघीय सरकार हो है। त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 9 रहेको छ हाम्रो, वातावरण संरक्षण ऐन तथा नियमावलीले व्यवस्था गरी बमोजिम कति जनसंख्यासम्मको खाने पानी आपूर्ति गर्ने योजनाको हकमा आईई गर्नुपर्ने व्यवस्था रहेको छ त 5000 देखि लिएर 50000 सम्म। त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 10, the maximum percentage of water absorption of first class bricks in 24 hours should be limited to 15%. 20% चाहिँ हाम्रो सेकेन्ड क्लास ब्रिकको लागि हो भने 25% चाहिँ हाम्रो थर्ड क्लास ब्रिकको लागि हो है। क्वेशन नम्बर 11, the purpose of sectional view is to show the internal of the object. Question number 12, the measurement of standard A3 size drawing sheet is minimum is 297 by 420. त्यस्तै A2 को लागि 420 by 594, त्यस्तै A4 को लागि 210 by 297. Question number 13, which of the following scale is used to prepare construction detail 1:100? The tender notice is a notice inviting bids. Question number 15, the compaction of a project, the critical path of the network represents minimum time. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 16 रहेको छ यहाँ, if A is the optimistic time, B is the pessimistic time and M is most likely time of an activity, the expected time of the activity is A plus 4M plus B by 6. Question number 17, the most reliable estimate is detailed estimate. Question number 18, the main factor to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate is all of the above भनेको quantity of the material, availability of material, transportation of material. Question number 19 रहेको छ, the order of booking dimension is length, breadth into height. Question number 20 रहेको छ यहाँ, which one information is not found in specification? Dimension, specification मा हामीले प्राय जस्तो dimension हेरेको पाइदैन। Question number 21, the sewage treatment in septic tank is due to anaerobic decomposition. Question number 22, priming is the process of removing the trapped air from the pump. Question number 23, BOD of treated water should be nil. Treated water मा हामीले BOD त्यसमा 0 हुनु पर्ने हो खासमा। 24 मा चाहिँ which one of the following waterborne disease is caused by pathogens? यसको आन्सर रहेको छ all of the above. जस्तै कि अप्सन ए मा कोलेरा, 2 मा टाइफाइड, 3 मा इन्फेक्सस हेपाटाइटिस। त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 25 मा रहेको छ यहाँ the specific weight of water in SI unit is 9.8 kilonewton per cubic meter. The first stage in water treatment is sedimentation. The first stage in water treatment is sedimentation. त्यस्तै 27 नम्बर क्वेशन रहेको छ यहाँ a river intake may be suited on a straight reach. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 28 the shape of sewer suitable to carry combined flow is egg shaped. Question number 29 practical fluid process viscosity surface tension compressibility. Option D all of the above. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 30 the basic air loss in a long pipe is friction. Question number 31 in flowing liquids pitot tubes are used to measure velocity. Question number 32 the center to center spacing of vertical stirrups in a rectangular beam is minimum near the support. Support मा यो चाहिँ हाम्रो मिनिमम हुन्छ भने सेन्ट्रल मा म्याक्सिमम हुन्छ है. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 33 डेभलपमेन्ट लेन्थ अफ FE 415 ग्रेड अफ FE 415 ग्रेड अफ रेन्फोर्समेन्ट बार एन्ड M20 कंक्रीट इज वेयर phi is the diameter of the bar. Option B 47 bar 47 diameter. Question number 34 the main reinforcement in a simply supported RCC member is placed at bottom fiber. Question number 35 in a beam spacing of shear reinforcement is kept ... at center as compared to end maximum. In a beam spacing of shear reinforcement is kept maximum at center as compared to end. Question number 36 the ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of the given soil mass is known as porosity मा हुनुपर्ने हो. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 37 the bearing capacity of soil increase with increase in the area of footing. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 38 the relationship between void ratio and porosity is equal to E is equal to N into 1 plus E. यसलाई हामीले N is equal to E upon 1 by E plus पनि भन्न सकिन्छ है त. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 39 रहेको छ यहाँ the agreement which passes through the यो एग्रीमेन्ट होइन यहाँ the aggregate हो. The aggregate which passes through 75 mm IS sieve and entirely retained on 4.75 mm sieve is known as coarse aggregate. Question number 40 the preparation of surface of a stone to obtain plane edge or to obtain a stone of required shape and size is known as dressing. Question number 41 the cementing property in cement is mainly due to lime. Question number 42 marble is metamorphic rock. Question number 43 frog made in the bricks are option number A to reduce the weight of the brick. Option number B to form a key for holding the mortar. Option number C to indicate year and name of the manufacturer. Option D all of the above. Option D correct हो है. Question number 44 the disease of dry rot in timber is caused due to lack of ventilation. Similarly turpentine oil is used in paint as thinner. Question number 46 contour of different elevation may cross each other only in the case of an overhanging cliff. Question number 47 the sag correction is always negative. त्यस्तै question number 48 the representative fraction for a scale of 1 cm is equal to 5 km is 1 upon 5 लाख हुन्छ है 500,000 भयो नि त. यो जस्तो 5 किलोमिटर छ भने यसलाई 5 into 1000 into 100 गर्ने. त्यस्तै सेकेन्ड लास्ट क्वेशन नम्बर 49 the backstop reading on benchmark of RL 10 cm is 1.685 if foresight reading on a point is 0.345 the reduced level of the point is 1.685 भनेपछि 1.685 बाट यसलाई हामीले माइनस गरिदिने र यसलाई जोड दिने. त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर 50